لقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Tajweed Made Easy. This is your brother Abu Muhammad. In the last lesson we started Al-Waqf, the stop. We found out there are three different types of stops. Number one, Al-Waqf al-Ikhtiyari. Number two, Al-Waqf al-Idtirari. Number three, Al-Waqf al-Ikhtibari. We did the first one in the last two lessons. Today inshallah we're going to do the following two. Al-Waqf al-Ikhtibari and Al-Idtirari. We'll find out what they are and how to apply these rules. Al-Waqf al-Ikhtibari just means when the teacher tells you to stop at a particular word in the Quran. And we know in the Arabic language, because the Quran is in Arabic, in the Arabic language, when you're stopping at particular words, when you're stopping at specific words, sometimes these words, they can be pronounced differently. They'll be pronounced differently and they'll be written differently as well because of the language. So the teacher wants to know your understanding of the language. How can you stop this based upon specific grammar rule? Yes or no? And so on. And the next one, Al-Waqf al-Idtirari, just means the forced stop. You're stopping not because of your own choice. Maybe you're sneezing, or you forgot the next ayat and you have to stop, or you're running out of breath and so on. So these two are similar. So we have here, for example, the word إِن يُرِدْنِ الرَّحْمَنِ إِن يُرِدْنِ الرَّحْمَنِ, and your teacher tells you to stop here, or you're running out of breath and you have to stop on this particular word because you don't know the next word. So in yuridin, how do we stop? The origin of this word, the asl of this word is actually aradani yuriduni. Yuriduni having a sukoon. And in the Arabic, so this word will have a sukoon, and the following word starts with a sukoon. And in the Arabic language, two sukoons cannot meet each other. So they will take a kasra. When two sukoons are there, they will take a kasra. So in yuridin ar-Rahman, it's written like this because of the two sukoons. So if the teacher tells you to stop at this word here, you'll stop with the sukoon. So in yuridin. Likewise, وَسَوْفَ يُؤْتِ اللَّهِ. The word yu'ti should have a stretched yeah, yu'ti. So because of two sukoons here meeting each other, the ta will take a kasra. And your teacher tells you to stop at this word, you'll say وَسَوْفَ يُؤْت. Because of two sukoons meeting each other, they'll take a kasra. So the first word will have a sukoon. Next one, جَزَاءُ الظَّالِمِينَ. The word jaza here, at the end of the word, the hamza is standing on the waw. So hamza sometimes it can stand on any of the three huruf al-mad, letters of stretching. It can stand on an alif, it can stand on a ya or waw. So how do we stop? We'll stop by removing the waw and putting a sukoon in the hamza. So jaza. If you want to stop here, will be jaza, putting a sukoon on the hamza. The following قَالَ ابْنَ Your teacher tells you to stop here because of the origin having a sukoon. You say قَالَبًا. And the last example here, مَاءً. End of the word مَاءً, there's two fatha. And we know if we're stopping on two fatha, one of the fatha will be taken off. So we'll say مَاءً. Or the word سَمَاءً will be سَمَاءً. Because when we're ending a word with an alif with two fatha, we'll change it into one fatha. Sama'an. There are other examples, but these are some of the examples. An important note to make here, sometimes in the Arabic language, two or three words, they can be attached into one word. But in the language, in the lugha, when we're speaking the language, when these words are pronounced, we can stop at the first word. For example, we can say, Ya ayyuha means oh those who. So we can stop at oh, so yeah, we can stop at that when we're speaking, when we're using the language. But in the Quran, you cannot stop in the middle of two attached words. We cannot do that. So we cannot say Ya ayyuha. You cannot do that. You have to stop on the end of the first word, on the end of both words, the attached words. So Ya ayyuha. Likewise, the word Ya Maryamu, Ya Zakariya, Ya Yahya, and so on. You cannot say Ya Maryam. In the language, it's okay to do that. In the Quran, you cannot do that. And ha and antum, this is called tanbih in the Arabic language. Ha You cannot stop at ha, then say antum. It should be together because they're attached. Ha, antum. So today, we looked at the Al-Waqf al-Ikhtibari and Waqf al-Ibtirari. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we'll start Al-Ibtida, the start. Which particular places can we start, which particular places can we not start, and the reasons behind that. Until then, Jazakumullah khairan, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.